Okay, let me look at my videos. Let me figure out how to do my live. Hi, anybody? Okay, here's my live. Okay, looks like I need to turn this camera around this way. Hello. Say hi where you're connecting from, okay? This is not planned at all. I'm looking at my computer to just make sure that I got everybody on here. All right, so it doesn't matter who I have on, whether 1, 2, 3, it doesn't really matter. I'm not always going to come to you guys dressed up and pretty and ready to go and all that kind of shebang. I just came from work. I'm about to go take a shower, but I figured I'd throw in something decent, come sit in front of the camera to talk to the 2 people that are logged on, because I just need to talk. I just need to share something with you guys, okay? And I had the feeling I had to come on here and say something because YouTube is a farm where you encounter a lot of people. Of course, a lot of people you don't know. A lot of people hide behind your equipments, your phones, your iPads and stuff, and they say things and make comments to hurt feelings. But tonight, a comment came on my feed, on my community tab. I'm gonna pull it on my computer right here so I can show you guys what comment that was and what the comment was on. So give me a second while I pull that comment, okay? It was on my community tab, and somebody just made the comment right now. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go live and talk about this because it touched my heart. Have y'all seen this? I posted this on my community tab probably 2 days ago. This is butterfly crochet, right? Butterfly crochet that I did for, she's a singer based in Knoxville, really good singer. She's her name is Kimmy J Soul. So if you ever on Instagram, you can check her out. So Kimmy J Soul, that's her picture. So she came and got her hair done. She did butterfly. She has natural locks. So I did the butterfly locks on her natural locks. Anyway, so the comment that came today was, it said, short comment. It says, where are you, comment? Excuse me. It says, why do you look so crazy? And I don't know why, but that comment touched my heart. You know, who is this person? Why do they feel that somebody looks crazy? It's their perception, I get it. Their opinion, I get it. But for some reason, it pulled on my heart like, what's going on with you? Why do you see crazy in somebody? So anyway, my comment back to that person was, LOL, she said crazy. Bless your heart. I want you to know that you are beautiful. You are enough. Even in your imperfections, love yourself, cherish yourself, and I promise it will make it easy to see the beauty in everyone else. My heart to yours, darling. P.S. She looks amazing. She looks gorgeous. Why did I reply and not get upset? Why did I reply in a loving manner? I've been listening a lot to Lisa Nichols, and I'm in a position in my life right now where I am seeking self-love, I'm seeking joy, I'm seeking abundance, I'm seeking to see the beauty and that kind of stuff in everybody and, you know, things around me. So when I saw that comment, it just touched me like, man, if this person was in the face of love and abundance and just looking at the good and not the bad, it would probably be easy for them to see, okay, butterfly locks is not mine. I have nothing good to say, so I'm not gonna comment. But to call somebody who has spent money and their time crazy, that it looked crazy, I was like, wow, okay. That's your opinion. That's fine if you think they look crazy. But yeah, I just had to show love and compassion. So this video, really, guys, this video is to encourage my fellow YouTubers, my fellow bloggers, my fellow online business entrepreneurs, that you know what? The people we call trolls and the people that we call mean, these people are this. They're hurt. And hurt people hurt people. Or hurting people hurt people. Let's show some compassion. If you can. I know it's not a perfect world. Sometimes you're just not in the mood and you can't be bothered. You know, like I said, I just came from work, hot mess, no makeup. This is real world. This is real me. Like, there are days I will make up and I will dress up and I'll be all cute and pretty for y'all. And then there are days where this is what you're gonna get because this is real life. Okay, it's not always a perfect world. I'm not always gonna be dressed for you. I'm gonna give you me. And so this is me from work, hot mess, no makeup, but this is me, okay? So you're just gonna have to accept me the way I am. I can't give you anything else but me on my good and bad days. So anyway, I just had to come on here real quick and just encourage you guys. Man, listen, when somebody's mean to you, when somebody's horrible to you, when somebody has done something so you don't understand, stand behind the scene and just look at the bigger picture like, yo, what is wrong with this person? What has eaten this person up? What's going on with this person? How can I understand this person? How can I see from their perspective? And try not to take it to heart. Some mean words are painful, I get it, but if you can, don't take it to heart. Don't let it affect you. Like this comment, I guess the person thought that that was me, but that's a client of mine. But for her to think that she looks crazy, that's her perception, right? But what makes her bold enough to tell another woman or another human being that you look ugly, you look crazy, you are bad, you are this? He who is without sin should cast the first stone. Have you not wronged somebody before? Have you not looked a certain way before? Have you not done something against somebody before? Yes, you have. We all have. Okay? So I just had to come here and especially encourage my fellow YouTubers. Have compassion and try as much as you can to not reply to mean comments in a way where you're too defensive, because I'm at fault for that too, because I've been in the past where people have come and commented their opinion how I should wear my hair or how I should have done it, and I'm like, wait, who are you to tell me how I should have done this? Is how I wanted to do it. But instead of getting defensive and getting upset at somebody's comment, if you have nothing good to say, nothing nice to say, don't comment. It's your channel. If you don't like the comment, delete it. Don't say anything mean, because two wrongs don't make a right. Two wrongs do not make a right. That's all I'm saying. I don't know if y'all making any comments here, but I'm gonna have to go on here and see if y'all commenting on this video, this live or not. But I just need to come and encourage, especially my YouTubers, because I'm a YouTuber, and I was like, listen, I need to tell my folks that hurt people hurt people. Remember that, and don't let it get to you. All right, when you're making these videos and you spend hours to make the video and perfect your area, like, look, today I didn't perfect my area. My bed is not even like, whatever. It is what it is. but it takes work to make videos. Perfect your area, make it clean so that the person who's viewing you has a better visual. You know, it's visually appealing to them. And then it takes me a whole week to edit one video, y'all. 1 week. I'm getting better at it, right? But it's a lot of work. So I see how YouTubers can kind of feel frustrated, like I'm putting all this work to make one video for you and you're just gonna come and just dump in my spirit about it. So I had to come and encourage y'all, don't feel bad. Do not feel bad, do not get upset. These things happen. When they do, have compassion. Hey son, I'm making a video. I'm online live, so what's up? So anyway, y'all, I just had to come and check this out. Just tell y'all something, okay? So all right, it's a short video. It's a short. Let me not use my Ghana accent so y'all understand. It's a short video, just to come and encourage y'all to have compassion for your fellow man. Now, my hair is washed and trimmed and ready to go. I just received some hair from Be Famous Beauty. It's called Tyra. It's gonna be the bomb. I can't wait to show you guys this hair. It's gonna be amazing. So y'all hang around, you know, just chill, give me time. Let me just finish working my shift and then I'm gonna hook this hair up and y'all gonna see this beautiful hair from Be Famous Beauty. If you have not checked out that black company, check them out. Check them out, Be Famous Beauty. All right, so I love you guys. I appreciate you. I pray that all goes well for you. Thank you so much for all that you do. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.